September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hello, Jason Tori.
Hey guys. It's a beautiful
Welcome
day.
back to Jason Tori. Going to in quiet one more. I don't know why this garage is open all the time. Hey, come on, put it on Calvin on Sakatia. Hey, come. Jonah Fat, the whole done. Calopedona and Lacombe Vela, and Mukat Bessie, Tangle, and he. Anh lom thiam về món này hi chu nấu bằng thau hi anh mình ngay là về này chu anh ăn tiếp bùi hi mo hi chu cái mà tan là thật ngay cái summer on sale để trong đó chu anh thình ngã với in cái vlog chân tắc hi chu car khác cái nút tên mình làm pedona anh atharan lấy vàng khanin athar lấy du suan tia anh ta lui mình pedona athar em ala thar khop maya chung vel chok ron tilang don details so in pa drive kwal vel dona in law en house don nia no hey kan uten law thinga ka car mi ron pek tur kha anon kinga hey kan law nga ka hey nalem where they're parking so ka mo pui de pon law kala
John may park
on the side.
Yeah.
Here's Nana and Papa.
Your car.
Look at my car. Look at that. How beautiful it is. Hey, Mom.
Hey,
Where is everything? Do we need to bring out anything?
I got it all.
Oh, okay. Let me help you.
Still gotta get.
Hey, Evie. Evie, welcome. Say hi. Cookies, okay na? What else? Thank you, Mom. This looks. Oh my God, is that Tori favorite? Look at that. John. Hey, looking up. Wow. Did you change the? Did you make this one? That's cute. Thank you, Mom. Wow, this is crazy, Mom.
That's chicken.
Barbecue chicken, nice, yum, yeah.
These 3 steaks.
Oh, steak.
And then these are enchiladas for Tori, and they're frozen.
Oh, I can put in frozen, I think, maybe. Because we'll eat chicken first. Thank you, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Now I learn how good it is to stay far. Evie, samgan ti Donna.
That's hilarious.
We're gonna do Evie hair. We're gonna
What are
try
they?
with her
Hair
new
thing?
hair tie, right? Did you choose this color?
Or wrist
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I did.
They're
My
for
hair
hair,
clip's
but you
missing.
put them
Someone
on
stole
your
my hair clip.
Yeah.
A hair clip. A green hair clip.
No, it's under your leg, Auntie Boy's leg.
Put your trash in the trash
A
bin.
hair clip.
Okay.
Okay, now we're good. Bye. Trash.
Yeah.
I want to.
Drop
want
the
scissor?
trash can.
I'll get it, baby. I'll get it for you. Oh, it's so cute on your hair. Look at that.
Hair
Mom.
accessories.
Mom, look at that.
Yeah,
This is
pretty.
so cute. Let's use your clip.
Which one do you want to use?
Blade.
Oh, integrated doesn't work like that. You have
Oh,
to
Lily, you got some pretty clips too.
Look what I have.
Nice.
I have 2 of these. I have these. And then
Hey, come to our Donna.
Yeah, it's ready. I think the light's still on.
this and
Yeah, it looks
Ashley, you want some coffee?
Ouch.
I
Put
do.
this in it and the hair clip.
Oh, hey, cute lutut. Evie lentozia. Oy, lento. Ellie, do you like what Auntie Pui got you? Can you stand for me, please? Uy. Hey, Pona, Papa, te na tele. Lily Kanye Lentozia. He's so tall now.
Yes, yes.
They will not believe. You remember her? She was so little girl who sit behind.
That dog's really
Hey, be careful over there.
Hey, he cartoon, yeah. Oh, thank you. I got the key now. Look at that. So Nana, hey, Minpia. Mom, let me show them. Hey, Nana, you gave me this one. Thank you. I really like that. So they
And
can
then
move around.
This button pushes it out for fat
Oh.
phones and push in.
Wow. So all we have to do is just.
I don't know where you want it, so.
Why it's not moving?
Because
Oh.
it's sliding back.
Look how they clean. So
know.
good.
Yep, and he didn't charge me but just $150 for it. We're on a hill, so where do you want this at? Right here?
Yeah. Anywhere. It's fine.
All right.
Okay.
Go ahead and get in.
Hey. Look at that. Thank you for bringing, Mom.
You're welcome.
It's long drive.
Yeah,
Are you the one who driving, right?
I did.
Hey! Wow, look at
I
that.
just
How
dropped my
smooth is that?
license down there.
Where?
I'll get it when we're done.
Okay.
It's just right here.
Oh.
Push them when you want the heat on them.
Hey, gahang kalvel sinangin nanain. She's gonna show me how to drive again. There's so many.
Now don't hit the gas.
Mom, which one was the gas? I forgot. This one.
That one's gas because
Yeah,
you don't
so-
want to plow in to jump towards car.
I know.
Turn it over. And then you're going to put this. All right. Go ahead. Put it back
Am I
in.
turning so
You
soon?
got to put it in. Okay, it is reversed.
Mom, am I turning
Nope,
so
you're
soon?
fine. Go ahead. No, go ahead. No, the other way. This way. There you go. Okay. There, see? Keep turning it. There you go.
Tori said I'm not allowed to, what do you call? He said I'm not allowed to,
Yeah, you're not when you're not
I
supposed to
can't
have
see
your
when
phone.
it's drive.
Okay.
Can I see there? D? Is it
Yeah,
D?
yeah, it should say drive up there.
Okay.
I gotta turn it on the road.
Yeah.
There you go.
My confuse is like, when do I press the gas? Right now, I'm not even in the gas.
You don't need to use the gas.
Okay.
You're gonna have to come to a complete stop though, because it is a stop sign. And then turn your blinker on. There you go.
It's
All right.
been a while. I didn't drive
Go
Papa
ahead and
car
turn.
either.
Yep. And you gotta turn that. Yep, that way.
Like this, I know how to turn, but when I back out, I'm confused. Like
Yep, it's
which
all right.
way.
And then you're just gonna go forward. Oh, it'll go in a circle. You're fine.
Yeah. I stopped practicing long time because I was kind of waiting on your car.
Mm-hmm. And then you're just
Sorry.
gonna go around. You're fine.
This one is going so
Yep.
fast because it's kind of like downhill.
And then you're gonna go to the edge because you're gonna go in a circle.
This is my friend house.
Nice. All right. There you see. You're doing good.
I kind of still remember, but when you don't
All
drive
right, you
long
can give it a
time.
little more gas. Not a lot, but there you go.
I-
See?
Mom, I think it's very important for us to have a perfect shoe. I think this shoe is like make slip. Like,
Well, and this car is so clean. It's
yeah,
like,
maybe that's why it is.
Yeah. just drive slow, and then you're gonna turn.
I almost home. Because at work we home all the time when we're turning.
Yeah.
I give my left
Yeah.
signal right.
That's
I will have to learn more about this car too though, because I don't know
Yeah.
what to do.
Tori will
and-
take you out.
yeah. That's why I told him I'm not signing overtime tomorrow. We can practice driving.
Yeah.
There's no stop sign, so I can always turn right away, right?
Yep.
There's a people who used to park over there, but I don't want them to park anymore because that's where I want to park it.
Yeah. Are you gonna drive some more? You want to go around the block?
Yeah, we can. But the problem here is, okay, let me stop for a second. Weekend, so many people park their car.
Yeah, that's
so-
okay because we're
But
gonna
we can
we're
come
gonna have
around.
you park where you want to park. So we're
Okay.
gonna go around that
Yeah,
way
we
and then
come
come
out,
back.
yeah.
Yep. And then you can park in the front.
Kaladoy lutok. I said, I'm a bit scared still.
Yep, it's fine. And then turn your blinker on and turn.
I'm going to turn around.
Oh, okay.
and
You're
come
gonna
out
go
here.
that way. That's fine.
I don't know why I have always this fear.
Well, people should not be passing you on this road.
Tori say it's allowed.
Oh,
Yeah. because they may be knowing I'm practicing because I always practice here on this road.
That could be.
Yeah. And you know this road, they're a little bit fast. I didn't even put gas on it. You see?
Mm-hmm.
And then the hill come, I put little bit, right?
Yep. And then you have a complete stop at that
Yeah.
stop sign again.
Yeah, here oh my god, it's moving so fast over here.
That's right. Just slow her
Because
down
it's
and
a
you just
little
come
bit
back over this way.
down.
Yeah, you're fine.
That's why I'm guessing I put the gas a little bit.
And then turn it that way. There you go. All right. And it's
And then when
clear
I
both
come
ways.
and stop, I check both sides,
Yep,
right?
both sides. Look both ways.
And then
you pull out.
Okay. I just want to practice also about my wheel because Tori said that will be likely they make you fail because if you cross your hand.
Yeah, you have to stay in your lane.
I think that's free. Hey, kapag car hi chu anom em chu ti hang kam hu thei ve ka Tori car chu kam hu thei lo ka line te hi kom na ko shilo chu.
Nope, you're fine.
Okay. Hey, tayong kampak do na hi kan serve
Yep.
ni. Ana min pek khat hian na tran thei boka. Thank you so much for this,
You're
mom. And all the documents over here. Hey, radio te oma. See, they're singing. Thank you. It's so beautiful. Look at that.
And your
Ano
rugs
ito
are
na?
in the very back if you want to put them in here.
Uy, katoy do ka chun na ito. Hey. Hey.
No, those are the rugs. We just
Oh,
had him
you
clean them.
Hey, a trunk the hilian luto ka. Let me show you guys here. The trunk. I want to show them how big it is. Alian to pa hey, chhung te po. Yeah. At check up, may. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. I love it. Love it. Love it. This is
You
beautiful.
want to lock it?
It looks like a new one.
Yep.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, this one don't close, right? Like Tori's.
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, they do.
Are they closing? Oh, okay. Just
Yeah,
to
he
be
didn't
safe.
wash that part. You need to wash it if you're going to do that because they're dirty. But
Yeah, I don't mind because I don't want people to hit it, you know.
Yep.
So I'll just close and
Needs to
then
be
when
washed.
yeah. It's beautiful. I named Scarlett though. I named her Scarlett. Yeah. Maybe I should ka keychain. Kapmang kapman veng katiha kan buwa ta. Let's go. So no pang how. Papa te Eli ten. Hey, baseball. Is it baseball, Eli? Football or American football, right? Yeah. Hey, American football no kill meka. Hey, li lentos ya. Evie, close the door, please. Evie, po mer chal toksi so beautiful. Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
How are you guys?
How are you guys? I'm tired.
Eli hilian to anya ento he tlan na sultok. Going to hey karong bol ngai lawa. Pizza. Papa John's an order. Yeah, Auntie Pui, you know take a low pomatia, right? You're holding baby for me.
Yeah.
Okay, take Sarsa in the other room. Let's go. We're gonna eat pizza now. Here is
John, move your phone. I don't feel safe. That's all right. Pepperoni.
Lily, you want sausage and pepperoni or just pepperoni?
Take it, go.
Woo.
what are you eating? Ooh, hoo, hoo.
You want two, Ashley?
Is this mine now?
Here, special for me. Hey to boksa
peppers or green peppers?
kay ma. De kam pa boksa kan ilaw bang.
You might be water.
Sit down.
Looks good, huh? Yummy, yummy. Hey, can eat it. Oh, hey, can buy church.
That's chicken.
You want it? John, let's split.
Uy, Halloween paper plate kan lay tarong ta kamaw po'y nudo luto ko niya he. Arong he.
Okay.
At tuy
You guys
tapon
got
ito.
napkins?
Chicken.
Yeah, I do.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, good deal.
Here's a minute.
It's pork. Pork. Kathar ka na ito. Buksan mo. Cook na yun. Okay.
You want nothing more?
It's
Hey, Uncle
ruined.
Tori and Truduna. Right? You're sitting next to Uncle Tori.
No, they're it's not long, man.
Say
It's
hi.
a single serve bag.
My baby is playing with my other baby.
What?
You can carry her every time you come home. You can shower her
My house?
in the pool. Oi, 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 oi. No, side vice. Can you stand like... Uy, El Santos, yeah. Are you jealous? Your uncle is standing next to your sister. Okay. Hey, no panghopo po ng chua. Let me take your picture, all of you together. Sit, okay? Here. Eli, go sit with your sisters. Let me take your picture.
Throw a shoe at one of those boards.
2, 3. That's cute one. Aw, thank you. Ellie. Oh, hey, the hairband picked. I made up. You look so cute with the hairband I gave you. Varakau so dua chapta ni ju. You like the dog? But you can't go. I don't think it's allowed. Let's go. They say danger zone. Let's go.
They're on our back.
Low trouble. Hey, minho san todo na so kakarte po. So dasang kapaka hey. I'm gonna miss you guys.
I'm gonna miss you too. Auntie, can I dump this into your glass?
Love you guys.
Oh.
Love you, honey.
Love you, Mom. Thank you
Enjoy your car.
for the car. Thank you.
You'll be in the captain seat.
Dump
Ellie, scoot over.
Thanks for
Ellie,
coming.
on us.
Thanks for
Scoot
all the
over to
goodies.
next captain seat.
Taking care of the
Dinner's ready.
Yeah. Love you, wife. Bye.
Mama's got to give hugs. So we can...
Here's my sister-in-law, a nurse. She's a nurse now. Everybody's wondering, what did Ashley do?
Hard work.
Bye,
she
John.
did it.
Thank
See ya.
you.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thank you.
It was nice.
Come again soon.
Love you guys.
Love you. Thank you for coming. Take care, Papa. Bye, Ashley. Thank you. Yeah. Where is Evie? Hey, Jonah Karen Hodona Kanute. Mom,
All the kids older?
say bye. Bye-bye. Love you. I like Mom jersey. It's cute.
Yeah, it is. Old Miss.
Always.
Paul got that from his work, I think.
Auntie, please, did I leave my stuff inside?
We double checked. You're good. But if we find anything, we'll bring it.
Yeah, I got it all.
Bye. Love you.